Okay, guys, if you want to use your logins, so you go to siu.edu, click on My Courses. It will prompt you to log in, so you're going to use the login information that is provided right here as your username and then your password. So you'll utilize that. And I don't know how much will pop up for you, probably just this one thing. So that's the BSN Virtual Resource Room. And then there's a couple of different ways you can look at it. You can click on it here, or I like to go to Content, and it spreads it out a little bit. So you'll see Standard 1, and then here are all the folders that are inside Standard 1, and then Standard 2, and those are all the folders inside 2, and Standard 3, and Standard 4, and then the things that are in the appendices. Now do note that I've got about another, I don't know, 2 weeks to work on it before I send it off to them. Here's the standards that we are writing to, so I think that is the basis of it. So feel free to look through that, and the actual working document is right here. So the working template is right there, and I will also send that to you in an email. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, you can take a look and hopefully get a little bit more comfortable with the overall structure of the program within the School of Health and Human Sciences within SIU. Thanks, guys.